Hi friends, this is Dolly Jain this side, and today I'm going to teach you how to pleat your saris which has heavy, broad, thick borders.
So first of all, measure the width of your border and start pleating accordingly. Roughly, I think you should be getting about 4 to 5 pleats in count. After you've done that, just readjust the pleat and secure it with a peg. Yeah, just like this. After you've done this, just adjust your pleat and take a help of a chair. Like last video, I had shown you how you can take a help of an hanger and make your pleats. In this, you're taking a help of a chair. Keep making pleats and keep securing it with these magical jumbo pegs. After you've done your pleats, just measure it, keeping the whole pleats, placing the whole pleats on your shoulders, and voila, you've got it. After you've done this, now let's make the lower pleats. I mean the waist pleats. Just take like a handful of fabric and leave it and start making your pleats. When you have a sari of a border which has thick borders, start making pleats from the border, I mean from below, rather than making pleats from top. Zip, zip, zap, zoo. But here you go, you've got your pleats. After you've done this, readjust and secure it with, oh my god, do you think it's going to fit? No, it didn't. Harado. This one, let's try this. Doesn't work. Let me try this. This might. Oh my god, it's going to ruin the whole sari border. Sorry. So now again, I take my jumbo pegs and look at this. It just secures the whole pleat because it's customized to hold the heaviest of the saris. You've got your pleats and just adjust them. Give it a shake and adjust them and secure this with peg and you're done. Friends, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.